you want to start your journey and you are looking for a particular video, how to start, where to start, then this particular video is going to help you. Consuming English content, simple content as per your level. Don't try to after mastering all grammar rules, after learning each and every grammar rule, then only I can start speaking, after becoming perfect in English, then I can start speaking. Then it's never going to happen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great and I Yashoda welcome you all on my YouTube channel. And friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about something which is really very crucial, especially for the beginners. Yes, friends, here I'm going to talk about the beginners. A beginners who really wants to, who are really very eager to learn English language, but just because of they are really very perplexed how to do, what kind of approaches should they use to learn English language. So they always waste their time. Despite putting lots of efforts, they just keep struggling, and all in all, they can't get what they really want to get, and that is fluency. If you are the one and you want to start your journey and you are looking for a particular video, how to start, where to start, then this particular video is going to help you. Because in this very video, I am going to tell you the holistic as well as the pragmatic approaches that I have used, or pragmatic ways that I have used to learn English language. Yes, friends, as all of us we know, in order to learn English language, only one way is not going to help you. We should try to use holistic approaches to master spoken English. And this is the thing that I'm going to tell you. As I have mentioned in my so many videos, that first, in order to learn English language, when even I was not aware about even 200 words, at that very time, I started consuming English content. But the thing which I really want to mention here, the content which I used to watch, it was not kind of conversational videos. I was not watching conversational videos at that time. Back then, I was watching only cartoon animated videos or storytelling videos, because if I am a beginner or I'm going to watch podcast, conversation videos, so definitely I'm not going to understand even the basic things, because first of all we need to just work on our basics. You must have some basic grammar knowledge, like what are tenses, okay, how to use is, am, are, okay, where to use s or es, where to use did, where to use do. After that you just start consuming English content, simple content as per your level. Don't try to uh, go from basic level, from beginner level to advanced level. It's not going to happen, okay. Cutting corners is not going to help you. Instead, you should take serious efforts. You should use pragmatic ways to learn English language. And it could be happen, there's no doubt, just because of your ways, genuine ways of learning English. And just think about it. Think about it. How a child learns just by listening. And just by listening, he consumes lot of content, lot of words, lot of sentences. Then he started speaking. Even after consuming that much content, when he starts speaking, then he speaks only single sentence. Sorry, not single sentence, a single word, then two word, three word, and finally then he starts speaking a single sentence. And here we are just thinking about making big sentences. In our earlier days of learning English, it's not possible. In the same way, you have to start from the beginning. And in our initial days, first thing that is really very important, that is really very significant for us, that is vocabulary. We should work on our vocabulary as well, because without having vocabulary, without having enough vocabulary, especially in your brain, in your active brain, you can never ever express your thoughts, even when it comes to use or talk simple English. So, how can we learn vocabulary? So, in order to learn vocabulary, don't get a book, don't get a personal dictionary, don't go on Google and search 10 or 15 words. It's not going to help you. If you are a homemaker, then just go in your kitchen. You will get so many things to learn. In my initial days, you know what I used to do? I used to learn vegetables name. I used to learn all the spices name. I used to learn all each and every actions name. इस एक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं, इस एक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं. And gradually I have learned. How can we see a difference in ourselves? Without working on our basics, we can't expect ourselves that now we are going to become a fluent English speaker and now I'm on the verge of mastering English language. It's not going to happen. Don't try to learn vocabulary. When it comes to learning vocabulary, there's a misconception in our head, in our mind that we should just keep learning vocabulary. जब भी हमारे सामने कोई vocabulary word आता है, उसको सीख लो, सीख लो, सीख लो. It's not going to help you. Keep listening, keep doing listening practice will definitely help you. And while watching a video, while watching a cartoon videos, whenever you come across a single sentence or whenever you come across a single word which is really new for you, so as per the context you will get some ideas, and then still you are not getting the proper meaning of the sentence, then you can go on Google, you can search it, and at that very moment try to relate that particular word or particular sentence structure with your own life. Then only you can use it. Most of the time what we do, we just come across a single word which is really very different or new for us. We just search. Okay, we also go on Google, we search the meaning. Okay, at that very moment we make a sentence, but after that we never try to put single efforts. We always try to put off that thing. So it's not going to help you when it comes to learning vocabulary. But here I'm not insisting, I'm not emphasizing the fact that you should just keep learning vocabularies. Okay, you should just keep learning only vocabularies. It's not going to help you. You should learn only that much vocabulary that you really needed, because most of the time when we just keep focusing only on learning vocabulary, then we can't put lots of efforts, especially on speaking, which is really very inevitable for us, because without speaking we can never ever expect from us that we are going to speak fluent English. So speaking comes from speaking. No doubt we should work on vocabulary, but the vocabulary, you are surrounded by so many things. You can see so many things. You can talk about those things. Okay? Start finding out that names while doing any action. Just try to figure it out. What is this called? This action, what is this called, especially in English? Okay? And then later on, as I already mentioned, that you have to work only on basic grammar, like how simple rules is, am, are, was, were, and then present simple tense, past simple tense, continuous tense, and then you can start speaking. Because if you know all these rules, so definitely while listening to the basic or cartoon related videos, you would get the meaning. And along with uh, along just by watching that video, you can do one thing. You can start imitating. So here you are getting accustomed to speaking. Your ears are getting accustomed to only English. Your mind is storing informations. After doing input, now it's time to do output. Output really matters. If you are not speaking, so it means you are not using it. Whatever you watch, okay, try to use, try to speak. It doesn't matter whether you speak in broken English, but what matters here, that is you are speaking or not. How much time you are spending, especially on your speaking practice. And I'm not asking you, you have to go find a mirror and then speak in front of mirror. No, there's no need to talk, especially in front of mirror. Okay, you can start, or you can start using the genuine methods which can really help you, which you can start using the pragmatic ways to learn English language. Okay, if you're still using the conventional ways, that after mastering all grammar rules, after learning each and every grammar rule, then only I can start speaking, after becoming perfect in English, then I can start speaking, then it's never going to happen. From the very first day when you decide that I want to learn English, I am so much dedicated to learn English. From very first day, from the scratch, from the very first day, you are supposed to start speaking. Even if you speak even a single word or two words or a single sentence, It's okay, but the thing which matters here that you are speaking. And most of us beginners, they always stop themselves from taking this step. Okay, they always think about becoming a slacker. But if you are a person who is a slacker, then you are not going to accomplish your dreams, and then later on you will be desperated. You will get overwhelmed. Oh my god, I haven't done this thing, and I because of that I'm doing it. So if you don't want to regret in your life, then start taking this seriously. And don't, I'm not saying that you have to this process make this journey so much monotonous for you. No, you have to just enjoy this process. If you will enjoy, then only you will get what you really want to get in your life. And I hope you must have got my idea. And yeah, along with that, you can do writing practice, you can do reading, you can do writing, whatever you feel like. But in my case, only two things has helped me, that is listening and speaking. So now it's up to you which one particular way you choose for yourself to master English language. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.